Hello guys, welcome to Chemex channel. My name is Elvis. I'm the sales engineer from Chemex Machinery. We are a professional manufacturer and supplier of oil press machine, oil refining machine, and other related equipment for over 15 years. Today, I want to introduce you guys a very small oil refinery plant. And this machine is for some clients who is new in this business and have limited budget. So please follow my camera to know more details about it. Thank you very much. Okay, so firstly, let me introduce the structure of this small oil refinery. First, we can see there's a mixing tank. This is a filter, and this is a phenol oil storage tank. This is the control panel. We can do all the control and setting on this panel. And here we can see an oil pump, very small oil pump. And this is an air compressor with the frame. And this is the machine being made of. Now let me introduce you one by one. Okay, now let me introduce you the first tank. This is the mixing tank. You can see a small motor on the top for the mixing purpose. And there's an electric heater, as you can see over here. So in this tank, we can do mixing and heating. So usually we can use this tank to do degumming and deacidification. Now let's take a look at the inside of this mixing tank. We have the oil inlet, we have the mixer, and you can see an electric heating ring at the bottom. And if you want to do dewatering, it is also possible. We just turn the heater on, and the oil being heated together with the water, and the water will go away during the heating. So after that, we move to the filter. This is the filter. As you can see, the filter is working with the air compressor. This is the air pressure filter. It is working with the air compressor, as I just said. Now let's take a look what's inside. So firstly, you can see this is the pressure gauge, and here is the inlet of the pressure air. Here's the oil inlet. Okay, the oil flow into the tank, and we can see there's a filter close, which is covered on the top, and then there's a pad at the bottom. So the air compressor is gonna inject the air into this area, and it's gonna push the oil through the oil filter to realize the filtering purpose. Okay, here's the third tank, which is the last tank of this oil refinery machine. This is a storage tank with no function. There's no mixer, there's no heater, just for storage purpose. We can take a look at the inside. Okay, and here we can see this is a pipe connecting to the bottom of this tank. And this pipe is for discharging the solid waste sinked at the bottom of the tank. We can control by this valve manually. Okay, now let's look at the control panel to know the function of it. Okay, so firstly, we can see this is the temperature controller. This is for setting the temperature in the first tank. This is a power indicator, so you can see the power is on or off. And this one is a speed controller for control the mixing speed of the first tank. This is the electric heater switch to switch it on or switch it off. And this is the switch of the oil pump. When you need to transfer the oil from tank to tank, you need to use this oil pump. And this is the air pump switch. When you are doing the filtering, you need to turn on or turn off the air compressor. You guys might know a full functional refining machine includes degumming, deacidification, dewatering, bleaching, and deodorization. But not all the clients need the full functional oil refinery machine. So this small machine can be good for some small clients who is new in this business. And if you want more function, we can also upgrade from this oil refining machine. For example, now we have only one mixing tank. You can have one more mixing tank, so you can do degumming and deacidification at the same time. Because if you only have one tank, you can do degumming and after degumming you can do acidification. So it will take longer time. So if you have 2 tanks, the working efficiency will be higher. So if you have higher requirements for the edible oil, we also have big oil refinery for your choice. So if you have any question or any inquiries, any requirements, please contact us. We will always have a solution for you. Thank you very much.